So in this video I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Steam game. What you need to do, you need to open your Steam app, open it, go to library here. For example, I want to delete this game FC25. What you need to do, you need to go on right click on the game, go on properties. Here you need to go on install files, and here you can see browse option here. Click on it and it will take you to the file where it's downloaded, and on the top you can see EA supports FC, and on the left side you can see common. Click on it and there it will show you all the things you had downloaded from Steam. What you need to do, you need to keep this folder as is and minimize it, and then if you want to delete this game you need to go on settings. Here you can go manage, and there you go, you need to uninstall the game. And after uninstalling it, after uninstalling completed, you need to minimize this page again, and you need to open the file explorer which you have left earlier. You need to right click on this again if the files, sometimes the files aren't completely vanished or completely deleted from your device. You need to also delete it from here, and there you go, it successfully uninstalled your Steam games and every files it contains. Thanks, have a nice day.